is lysosomes. Lysosomes, these are tiny spherical structures which are distributed in the cytoplasm. Lysosomes, basically they are unit membrane bound structure. They have a single layer. They're just spherical tiny ball like structures, and they have very powerful digestive enzyme which is present in it. Okay, basically lysosomes, they are produced by Golgi apparatus. They arise from Golgi apparatus, and the enzyme which is stored in it, that is synthesized by rough endoplasmic reticulum. So this is outer membrane, it is single membrane bound structure, and this is very powerful digestive enzyme. Now, what is the basic function performed by lysosomes? Lysosomes, they help in the digestion of useful substances. Actually, we can say they help in digesting ingested material. Whatever enters cell, they help in the digestion of that. And they are present in plants, in fungi, in animals. But they are more prevalent in animal cells as compared to plant cells. So, basically, they help in the digestion of useful substances. And they also help in the digestion of harmful substances. Whatever is harmful for the cell, harmful substances like viruses, bacteria, anything that is harmful for, dangerous for the cell. Lysosomes, they have very powerful digestive enzyme which break down those particular things and help in the, so that they cannot harm the cell. Apart from this, they also help to keep the cell clean. How? During any injured site, what happens? Debris get accumulated, worn out cells, worn out organelles. Whenever any organelle in the cell get died, what happens? Lysosomes digest it so that cell can remain clean. That's why lysosomes are also known as cellular housekeepers. You know what are housekeepers? See, we say my mom is housekeeper, means she is responsible to keep the house clean. Same work is done by lysosomes in the cell. Lysosomes are called cellular housekeepers because they remove worn out dead organelles and keep the cell clean. Okay, another name is given. They are also called scavengers. Scavenger, you know, scavengers are those organisms which eat dead organisms, dead animals. Similarly, lysosomes, they are called scavengers because whatever is part organelle of the cell is dead, they eat it, they digest it, because the enzyme which is stored in the lysosome, which is produced by rough endoplasmic reticulum, it is very powerful. It can digest anything. Okay. Apart from this, very important name is given to it that lysosomes are also called suicide bags. What is the meaning of this? Suicide bag. See, actually it is autophagy. Suicide bag. Lysosomes. And often this question is asked, why lysosomes are known as suicide bags? Whenever there is, during starvation, what happens? When cell needs energy, they spread their powerful digestive enzyme all around and they start eating their own cell organelles. Within the cell, all organelles get digested so that energy can be released. So it commits suicide to release energy. As it absorbs, it helps in the digestion of useful substances. It equally good to digest harmful substances, and it is ready to commit suicide so that energy can be provided to the cell. Okay, if structure is very simple, simply it is just like vesicle because it is produced by Golgi apparatus. It is just like a vesicle having a membrane bound structure and very powerful digestive enzyme. And one most important thing, it plays crucial role in metamorphosis in frog. You know metamorphosis, that is transition from one embryonic stage to adult stage. Yes, tadpole changes to baby frog. In that, lysosomes plays very important role, which is that actually during embryonic stage, frog is, tadpole, it has tail, it has gills. Though that tail and gills, they are digested by lysosomes, They are eaten up by lysosomes so that tadpole can get converted into frog, or it can look like frog. Similarly, at the time of fertilization, in the sperm, lysosome is present in the sperm cell. The same lysosome, it plays crucial role in fertilization also, because when sperm comes in contact with ovum, it eats up the membrane of ovum so that fusion of both sex cells can take place. I hope lysosome structure, which is very simple, is clear to you. And what is the function performed by lysosomes? Why it is called cellular housekeeper? Why it is called scavenger of cell? Why it is called suicide bag of cell? Thank you so much for watching. Catch you soon in the next video.